Standard 9, please pay attention to this. Some of the examples I have taken, we have discussed about the different ways of writing the sets. Listing method, or it is called as the roster method or form. Roster form or roster method. And another method is rule method, or that is also called as set builder form. Rule means the law. Now first example is taken, listing method. These are the elements in the set which are listed here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. These are the elements of the set. Set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So those are the even numbers. So how to write in the set builder form or the rule method? A is a set of all x. A is a set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Check it. Even natural number less than 15. Less than 15. Just remember that statement, less than 15. Less than 15 is 14. And up to that, whatever the numbers are coming, even natural number. So this has become a rule. Now B, 4, 9, 16. These are the squares of the numbers. So how to read? B is a set of all x such that x is a perfect square. Perfect square number between 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20 means not 1. Above that, see this, above 1 is 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. Means it is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Similarly, C, A, E, I, O, U. What are these? These are the vowels in the English alphabets. So, grip gone. These are the rainbow colors. This I have not completed the bracket here. I forgot it to complete the bracket. So, hope that you have understood this. Now, E is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. What are these? These are the integers. Integers means this 3 upon 5. What is this? This is a fraction. 5 upon 3. What is this? This is a fraction. Fraction, but this is the improper fraction and this is the proper fraction. Improper fraction means denominator is smaller than the numerator. You should know all these things. Now, E is a set of all x such that x belongs to I. I means the integers. And how is that x? X is between -3 and 3. If it is like this, then our number would have started from -3. But it is not that. Greater than -3. Greater than -3 is -2, -1. Okay. And less than +3. Less than 3 is 2. So -2 to 2. 0 is also an integer. Don't forget this. Now F 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. What is this? These are the cubes. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Cube means same number multiplied thrice. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 64. This is 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So here F is a set of all x such that x equal to n cube. And that n value is between 1 and 5. So here is equal to also. Means the value of n is 1 also. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and stop. So this way how to write the sets, that is important aspect, and at least 1 or 2 questions come for 1 mark or 2 marks. So hope that you have understood this, and when you will go through the textbooks, definitely you will be in a position to solve all the questions of this type. Now another, we have to types of the sets. What are the sets? Sets type. One is empty set. Types of sets. Types of sets. Empty set. It is also called a null set. Then finite set. And infinite set. This way we can define the sets. Empty set means what? There is no element. Finite set means what? The elements of that set we can count. Infinite set means what? We cannot count the numbers in that set. Example, empty set. Empty set example, suppose A is a set of all x such that x belongs to the integers and x belongs to the integer, and this x is between 3 and 4, means greater than 3 and less than 4. What number can be coming into this? There is no number. Therefore, there is no number between 3 and 4 which is an integer. Therefore, A is an empty set. A is an empty set. There is no number. I will give the reason also. There is no number. There is no integer. Integer between 3 and 4. Therefore, A is an empty set. Therefore, A equal to 5. This is the way of writing the empty set. Or A equal to this. This is also the way of writing the empty set. So remember this. Now the empty set means the null set. There is no element in the set. Therefore, it is the empty set. Finite set means the elements which we can count. The elements, number of elements in the set are countable. This is the finite set, and these are uncountable. This way you should remember how to recognize the sets. Then the fourth is the singleton set. Singleton set means only one element. Only one element. Only one element in the set. For example, A is a set of all x such that x belongs to integers and this x is, say suppose 7 and here 9. What would be the answer between this? Integer I want, 8 is the answer. A is equal to answer. A is equal to 8. Therefore, A is a singleton set. Singleton set. These are the ways. Another also are there, power set. That in the different section we will see this power set and all. Now what is meant by equal sets? If the elements of the set are same, the elements of the sets are same, those are known as the equal sets. So this way you just remember, then these are the very simple topics that another set, a number less than natural number, a natural number less than 0. There is no natural number less than 0. Those are the negative numbers. Less than 0 are the negative numbers, and those are not the natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And the whole number set is from 0 you have to start. Whole numbers. Which are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, and etc. These are the whole number. How to remember? Whole number starts a number with a whole. 0 has the whole. That's why this is the whole number. Just remember this way. And natural numbers, the numbers which we can count on our fingertips. Those are the natural, because these are the natural parts. From that you remember this. This is not very difficult to remember also. So in the next topics we will see some difficult parts of the question in the next video. That I will start with exercise 1.3. In that the roast how to write the in Venn diagram, then some operations on the sets, union, one another, some problems are based on that, written problems. So those also we are going to do by this time. You can do up to this. Which are the subsets, etc. That also we will see. In exercise 1.3, so that one question is there that I want to take. Exercise 1.3. In that question 2, take the set of numbers, the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20 and from 1 to 20 has two different meanings. Just remember this. From 1 to 20 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. But between 1 to 20 means 1 and 20 you can't take. Between them 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 19. That is the difference between from and between this. Okay. 1 to 20 is, take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set. Universal set. What is meant by universal set? That also you should understand. Universal set means the given sets are the subparts of this. Means the subsets of this. This is the bigger set than the given sets. But the given set should have the numbers in this also. And X and Y are the sets are the sets universal set and show the sets x and y. First number x is equal to x is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers, and 7 x 15 y equal to y oblique y belongs to n. Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. This is also from, but we cannot take 1, we cannot take 20 in this case because these are not the prime numbers. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Just remember, this is an odd number, that is true, but it is not a prime number. Show these sets by Venn diagram. This is a 100% sure question to come for the exams in different schools. Solution. First of all, u equal to, from 1 to 20 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last number is 20. This is your universal set. X is equal to, what is x? X is equal to, x is a set of all x belonging to n, and it is like this. X is greater than 7 and less than 15. This is what? Rule method. This is the rule method. We will give the name. Show some scholarliness. Therefore, x is equal to, listing method I want. X is greater than 7. Greater than 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and less than 15. We stop here. Okay. X belongs to natural numbers. Just remember this. This shows belongs to. N means the natural numbers. Now y equal to, what is this set y? That also I will write. Y also belongs to the natural numbers, and y is a prime number. Is a prime number from 1 to 20. This is what? This is the listing method. If you want to rank in the schools or colleges, you have to give the reasons. You should be thorough in the subject. Therefore, y is equal to prime number. Is 1 a prime number? No. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. 2 is the even prime number. It is the only even prime number, 2. What is by prime number? Which are not divisible by any other number. It is divisible only by itself and only by 1. It is the prime number. So this is not divisible by any other number other than itself and 1. 2. Then 3 is also a prime number. 5, it is also a prime number. 7, it is also a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. 6 is in the table of 2 and 3. So leave it. 8 is also not. 9 is also not. Then 10 is also not. 11, yes, it is not in the table. Then 13 is not in any table. 15 is in the table of 3 and 5. 16 is also in the table of 2. Then 17, it is not in the table, 17. 18 is in the table, 19 is not in the table. This way. This is the Y set. Now, I have to show all these sets in the Venn diagram. Venn diagram is what? What is that Venn diagram? Means you have to show by the picture. Okay, so for the first answer, I will give you the hint. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Give the reason. Listing method. Set builder form or the rule method. This way you have to give the names. Now for the first, I will draw the Venn diagram first. Place is small. This is the universal set U. Here I will give the name U. What are the elements? That also we have to mention now. Which are the elements? First of all, the X sets, that I will first of all write here. This is your X. This is the X set. What are the elements of X set? 8, 9, don't give comma, don't give full stop. 10, maintain the space. 11, 12, 13, 14. These are the elements of that set. So, now the remaining elements will be of the universal set. See, this is also a part of the universal set. This is the subset. It is inside it, that is means it is a sub part of it. So, remaining elements, what are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to this 14 they are there. Then 8 is there, 9 is there, 14 is there, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. These remaining elements are the part of that universal set. So this way you should go on. So second you can do definitely. So here I will stop this today's lecture, and then tomorrow we will see regarding the remaining topics.